Hey, here are a few recommendations on getting that video into Schoology. So here I am in EdPuzzle to grab an embed code or to grab a direct link. After I've assigned the video, I just go to Share Assignment here in the right. I can grab either the assignment link directly to it or the embed code. I'm going to grab the embed code quick, come over to my Schoology page. I'll use the Insert Content and then Image Media to go ahead and insert this embed. Once I get to Insert Media, I'm going to switch from Upload Media to From the Web, and then From Image to Media, and simply paste in that embed code, insert, and now that's embedded inside of this page. Because it kind of looked like, from what I saw, you have been using the LTI app. So this is a different way that may allow that embed to work. The other alternative is to place your text like you normally would. Go ahead and highlight that text. Again, we've already clicked Share Assignment. I'm going to go ahead and grab this link. Come back over to Schoology. And this time we can use either the link tool or also Insert Content Link. They both do the same thing. Just going to paste in that link. Now when kids click this link, that will pop open a new tab in Safari since they're already in Safari for Schoology, and it will go directly to that EdPuzzle video. They will then have to close that tab and come back into Schoology. I hope these two versions can be helpful to you. Let me know if you have any follow-up questions. I'm happy to help. Thanks.